Who's ready to solve a safe moon mystery? Let's go crypto. Welcome back crypto chasers and moon masters. It's Barth, and in today's Safe Moon news, we have some incredible new pictures released by the official Safe Moon Twitter account, and they are absolutely packed with clues that the Safe Moon army has gone wild digging into. Let's check them out. If you've been enjoying this Safe Moon ride with me so far, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video so we can keep growing the Safe Moon army. The first image that we're going to talk about was just released today and is an awesome retro arcade cabinet featuring the Safe Moon to the Moon game being displayed on the screen. Links to this and the rest of the images are down in the description, so go pull them up full size and follow along. Now, this is just an awesome picture and should be a background, but let's talk about some clues. First, on the shelf in front of the joystick we find the Safe Moon card, which we know is coming soon, and the stress ball, which was teased as being made if a tweet got enough interactions, and it did. Checking out the stickers, we find one of the original Safe Moon logos which you can get on official merch. Very nice. What's that there on the planet? Some kind of chain of blocks. Oh yes, it's the Safe Moon blockchain. And if we zoom way in on the side here, we see some numbers, not just any numbers, a date. Since Safe Moon likely uses European dates, we have September 12, 2021, which is the same date that was shown in the Safe Moon survival kit image, which we're going to investigate in just a moment, so hang tight for that. What is September 12th going to be? Not sure yet. I was leaning toward a release date for the Safe Moon wallet based on the survival kit image, and you'll hear me mention that in a minute, but in today's AMA, Safe Moon CEO John Caroni mentioned that they didn't have a date set for the Safe Moon wallet yet. And the ship. Take a look at these markings. What do you think they can be? I can't figure it out. If you have any ideas, let me know so we can solve this riddle. Here's the next one. Some straight up rocket fuel. I'm a huge coffee drinker and would personally love some fresh baked beans from the Safe Moon farms. So as you can see, there's not a whole lot that we can deduce here, but if you get creative with these dotted lines, they look somewhat like the border of a small island that is known for growing coffee. The island of St. Kitts. A new partnership in the works. John did say they were heading to new countries. Keep your cups ready for that news. Now, we're going to talk about the Safe Moon survival kit, which is absolutely loaded with clues. I went through this on Sunday's Safe Moon weekly recap, so let's head to the VOD.
This is the Safe Moon survival kit. If you know, you know. Safe Moon survival kit. To the moon. Would you rock this Safe Moon survival kit? I think I would. We got the Pancake Swap water bottle. Now, a few different things that we can talk about. We're going to go in order from least to most interesting as far as I'm concerned. Got the coins in the background. I think that's just cool. Got them all boots, space boots with imminent stamped on the strap. Now, what could possibly be imminent? Probably a lot. Walking on the moon. They've been using #imminent. I think this is just reusing their catchphrase, hashtag. I'm going to call it a catch tag. That's onto the Safe Moon stress ball. We saw this, posted it in a tweet earlier this week. If this gets over 10,000 likes or 2,000 comments, or I don't remember what it was. If they said they would make this, it obviously got blown out of the water, whatever the requirements were. They did 10 times more. So hopefully this means we're going to get the Safe Moon stress ball that we can just start squeezing on soon. That would be absolutely hilarious. And then, of course, the helmet here. Now, hang tight on this helmet. I promise the only thing about this helmet that matters is that they put Africa in it, which is super cool. We love Africa, and we love the Gambia, and we know there's a ton going on there. But this helmet is a whole lot of bait going on here with like these little symbols. I even got baited into it, but I'm going to show you why in just 2 minutes, why you don't need to worry anything about what's going on with this helmet. And then, of course, you have the Safe Moon card down here. That's hopefully coming any couple of weeks. Soon. Let me get that card. That should be coming right around the corner. And then last but not least, if you look right up on the backpack here, this is what's great. We have Safe Moon Wallet. I don't know what is the Safe Moon. No, the Safe Moon wallet. And then these numbers. We inspect on these numbers. We have 120921. 120921. Now, if we're gonna go UK style, basically that is the 12th of September. Now, using my little bit of a thinker up here, I'm thinking we have a beta sign up that started this week. 12th of September is 3 months out. I think that means we're going to get the wallet launching. Hopefully. Which is why they like subtly leaked it in an image instead of saying we have a launch date for the wallet. Right? I'm hoping this means that we have a wallet, presumable launch date of September 12th. And then this 1958, this is just the date that NASA was founded. Don't worry about that either. I'll show. Okay. So what do you think? We have, I think we got wallet, we got Speezy Beezy, and the card. I mean, the Pancake Swap water bottle's cool. I don't get it though. If we're trying to get away from Pancake Swap and go on our own exchange. There's one extremely diligent user. I'm not sure if it was on Reddit or Twitter. They found the original stock images. First things first, the only thing they actually added onto the boots was the imminent. So nothing to worry about. Nothing new or interesting there other than putting the word imminent across the front. It's a recoloration. Now the helmet. Remember I told you the helmet was a big old bait? Yeah, you can see why now. Full screen so you can see. Now if you look on the helmet, both this image, which a lot of people are talking maybe Tangle or something like that. No, I don't believe so, unless this random stock photo of an astronaut helmet has the Tangle, some sort of Tangle imagery on it. And then this earpiece, which I thought that really looked like some sort of a logo for an exchange or Coinbase. It's not, though. I looked at everything. It's kind of like an old VPN I used to use. It's not that, though, I don't think. I think it's just a Galaxy. It's a pretty cool little stylized Galaxy on an astronaut helmet. So chill on any of that. And then the backpack, it's got 1958 in the stock image. So once again, it's a NASA backpack. NASA was founded in 58. It's just what they didn't remove it. Basically is what we have going on there.